Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video today, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create a new YouTube account. It's very simple, it's very easy. You simply have to go to youtube.com in your browser. You tap it youtube.com in your address bar and you will get to YouTube. And then you simply land right here. On YouTube, a Google company, you click accept all or reject all. I highly recommend that you click accept all so that you can use all of the functionality that you can use on YouTube right here. And then at the top right, you will click sign in. And then once you are signing in, you will need to choose between an email address that you already have or a new email address. If you already have an email address, you can use the same, or you can simply create a new Gmail account for work, for business, or for personal use. I will use for work or for my business. And then you would need to get a Gmail address if you don't have one already. Let's create a new Gmail address. It's super simple. You simply enter your name. This is my name. And then you will click next. After that, you will need to enter your birthday, for example, this date, and your gender as well. It's very quick, it's very easy, and you don't need a lot of information. You simply enter basic information, create a Gmail address if you don't have one already, or use your Gmail address if you have one already, then click next. And then you create your own Gmail address if you want. For example, this one, or this one, or this one, or a custom one, right? Let's take this one, for example, right? Why not? And then you would click next. Enter a password. Keep in mind your password should be strong. So your YouTube account and your Gmail account, your Google account are protected. So you need a combination of letters and numbers and symbols. So this is what we are going to use. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. You enter your password 2 times to confirm your password and then click next. Very simple. And then you will need to add a recovery email address if you have one, or simply skip if you don't have a recovery email address. You don't really need it, but it is very useful in case you forgot your password. You can also add your phone number if you have one, or you could also create a new YouTube channel, a new YouTube account without a phone number by simply clicking skip. But a phone number is very helpful to recover your Google account, your YouTube account, your Gmail account if you lost your password, for example, or if you get hacked, which I don't wish you get to. Or you can simply skip. And then you would need to review the info to ensure that you entered everything right. Click next also as well. And then go to the express step, which is very easy, very simple, very fast. You don't need to go through the entire manual process right now. Simply click express. It's gonna be the best way to create a new YouTube channel. And then you can choose your setting, read the recommendation, how YouTube and Google use your data, how they manage your data, etc. You can simply scroll to the bottom and choose reject all or accept all at the bottom. I highly recommend you choose accept all so that you can use all of different functionality from YouTube history and personalization that YouTube allow you to use. If you click reject all, then you won't be able to use every functionality on YouTube. Click accept all, that's why I recommend you to do. And then you would simply click confirm as a reminder that you've read everything that Google is telling you. I recommend that you read everything through so you are well on your way to create your YouTube account the best way possible, and so that you understand exactly what YouTube is going to do with the data on your computer. And once you click confirm, and then agree to the privacy term and the terms of service, you will have a new YouTube account that you can start using. Simply click continue, simply enter your business name if you choose the business option. This is my new business name. If you choose, in the beginning, if you chose a personal use case, you won't need to enter your business name and set up your business. You simply can land into YouTube directly, select a name for your YouTube channel, select an handle for your YouTube channel. For example, this one and this one, and then you would see you can directly enter your profile picture. For example, you can choose a profile picture that Google have already saved, or you can choose a profile picture and from your computer and upload one personally. Then you would simply get started on YouTube, and voila, you are on YouTube with a new YouTube account. And if you want to create a new YouTube channel, you simply go to the top right, click create your channel or view your channel, and you will have your YouTube channel right here. Click customize channel or manage your video to see your YouTube channel dashboard. And if you click customize your channel, you simply click continue and you will land on your YouTube channel studio. And from there, you will have access of all of the different functionality from your dashboard, including your channel name, your analytics, where you can change the content, see the data from your YouTube channel, earn money as well by creating video and joining the YouTube Partner Program, and customize your channel as well with a banner image that you can upload, a new profile picture that you can upload as well, and entering your channel description to describe exactly what your YouTube channel is about if you would want to. I hope you enjoyed this video with me today, guys. I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching this video to the end. Click right here at the top to watch the next YouTube video tips that I can give you, and I will see you there in this next video. Bye bye.